Gabe, what was your first car?
I drove a 1999 Chevy S10 Blazer. It was probably the worst car I ever had, and it blew up 2 months after I had it.
What car do you drive now?
So currently I drive a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland, heated and cooled seats, leather, 4-wheel drive. It's been a great car for me, 5.7 Hemi.
Nikki, what was your first car?
My first car was a 1992 Ford Escort Pony, and it was a manual, and I did not know how to drive stick.
What car do you drive now?
I drive a 2022 Ford Ranger XLT.
Amber, what was your first car?
A 1997 GMC Jimmy,
What do you drive now?
a 22 Ford Bronco.
Brad, what was your first car?
1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport 454. Best car I've ever owned to this day.
What car do you drive now?
I get a demo, so I change cars every week or two. I'm one of the lucky ones.
Ryan, what was your first car?
My first car was a 1986 Chevy Cavalier Z24 that my dad owned that I learned to drive, a manual shift, and it had a computerized dashboard that never worked, so I never knew how fast I was going or how much gas I had in it.
What car do you drive now?
Now I drive a Ford Bronco.